Eagle pursuing one of the largest predators in the world, the coastal brown bear. We have an excellent guide use area right in the middle of the boreal rainforest along the rugged Gulf Coast. The remote bays and islands here have a very healthy population of these big salmon-fed Bruins. We hold a federal special use permit as well as an exclusive private lands concession. And we have a very good track record for harvesting big 9-foot plus boars. Day 2 today. No bears yesterday, but lots of tracks, so we just need to catch one in the open. We have our first bear here, but I think he's part mountain goat because he is over in these craggy crags. You want to go after this thing? I got the crampons. Squeeze. Let it surprise you. Rack another one. Rack another one. I don't know where that was. Just squeeze. He's not going anywhere. Rack another one. He's hit. Dead bear, here he comes.
Second day out, and we ran into this blockhead, and it was a good shot uphill.
Yeah, a little cliffhanger.
The mountain, you'll see lots of good footage on that. Holy smokes. Beautiful coat.
4 miles from camp. Oh man, it's
We got a
dark.
little hike out.
It's almost dark. Oh boy.
Awesome. Right before the ice.
Hey. Hey. Ah. Ah. Hey. Hey, go on. Just warning on him if he comes.
Don't believe me.
Hey.
Hey.
No.
That there.
Hey.
Hey.
Ah. Hey. Hey. Go on.
That bear. That bear. Oh.
Behind all that brush still. 100 yards. Wait for him to come up. laid right down. Get ready for a second one.
Got it. I'm on him.
So right on his trail.
Yeah.
I think it would have ended up about 50 yards, but
60 was fine. That's what he was looking at. 60 to 75. The way this wind's moving around, though, I didn't want him to catch us and bolt.
no, I hear you. It's been a challenge to say the least.
Yeah.
There he lay, right in the creek.
Look at these growth rings on his teeth, though. And
He's all worn down, yeah.
front teeth. He's an old bear. He's got 2 missing on the bottoms, 3 missing on the top. Look at that canine. Broke right off.
Yeah.
We got a deer right here in front of
You know, actually, when I first thought was, it just
That's a stud right there.
That was an awesome job. You
beautiful bear.
9+ anyway, so what do you think?
Oh, it's great. We went into about 4 or 5 days. Hiked about a mile across the mud flats after spotting this baby. Put the hammer down on him. Beautiful bear. Great coat, no rubs. More than you can ask for.
Flawless boar. Rich killed a 9.6 here a couple nights ago, and this one's probably going to be right in there too. So
Perfect.
2 for 2.
Far
Congratulations.
out. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, take it. Wait till he turns his head back. Again. A jam. He's good, right?
He didn't want to get out of there at all, did he?
He did not.
First shot looked pretty good though, didn't it?
Yeah.
Looked like it went through and broke his shoulder, which was what I was shooting through the vitals and tried to hit the back arm, and I think it did.
Yeah.
Because when he went out, his arm went down. Boy, he rolled, didn't he?
You're right, that is a nice den.
It is. All the grass he put in here yesterday works real nice. Oh, I'm still not touching the back.
Really?
Yeah. Oh.
Roomy, huh?
was ready to leave. We were actually ready to leave. We looked behind us on the way out. This bear popped out of nowhere. So we're gonna go check him out. What do you think? I don't know, he's pretty nice. I say take him. This pretty bear is so pretty. Did he go down? Not yet. He wheeled like he was hit. I'm sure I hit him all 3 times. Holy cow. That was freaking awesome, man. Thanks, Otto. Yeah, man. Thanks, JJ. Did you get that off the hood? That's cool right there. That's every Alaskan guide knows. This is the worst part about it. I'm just... Yeah. This is what we gotta go and do here. At least we can see a little bit. Otto's scared. Thank you. Some blood. Jesse just whacked a bear. Hopefully he ain't too far up here. And dead. Hopefully he ain't too far up here.
How do you feel about it?
Pretty good. Kind of worried though he went so far.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's not the thickest stuff it could have gone in, but it ain't the most open either. Get him, Get him again. Yeah, he's hurting bad. He's still not. He's right. See that red? See that red?
Do you believe that?
Holy hen.
That's where he came down.
Okay, I'm standing on his blood trail. These guys are standing right here. The bears are right there. Son of a bee was still freaking just alive and well. He just didn't want to get in the water. What do you think, Jess?
That was nuts. This thing started 6 miles ago, 7 hours ago, down on the beach. As you can see, no beach in sight. The beach.
No kidding. I'm a little worried about getting out of here. I mean, I don't know if you can tell, but it is literally straight up. What a sigh of relief to find him, though, finally, and get him down, huh, guys?
Big time. And we trailed him. He's bleeding like this. We just had to stay on him. We had tracks, we had blood. We got to keep going.
Holy hen.
All right, here we are. First hunt in May. Got Jesse Phillips here, and heck of an ordeal, but as you can tell, big bear down. Big bear. Couldn't be more excited. Awesome hunt. Had a good time. I want to thank JJ and Otto for a lifetime memory. Good deal. I don't know how we're going to get it out, but we'll get it out. We'll try. Congrats, bud.